To set time, press and hold down the set time button like this. Then the display will blink. Now we press the hour and minute. To set the time to be correct, then release the set time button to exit and save the settings. The PM indicator will tell PM time. To set the alarm clock, press and hold down the alarm 1 like this. Then press the hour and a minute. To set the alarm time, release the alarm 1 to save and exit. Okay. To turn on the alarm clock, press alarm 1. Then the indicator lights up. Press alarm 2. Then the indicator lights up. Now we set the alarm volume. Press and hold down the alarm 1. Then we press the snooze. To set the alarm volume, release the alarm 1 to save and exit. To set a radio alarm, press and hold down the alarm 1. Then press the AM, FM. Then we can see the indicator switch to the radio. That tells us the alarm clock 1 will go off with the radio. Set the alarm 2 is the same as the alarm 1. Press and hold down the alarm 2. Then press hour and a minute. Press snooze. Press AM, FM. Release the alarm 2. Now we finish the alarm setting. To turn off the alarm clock, press the alarm 1 and alarm 2 again. You can see the indicator disappear from the display. That tells us the alarm 1 and alarm 2 are all turned off. Now we turn on the radio. Press the AM, FM. Then the display will tell us the frequency. Press the tune down or tune up to set the frequency. If we press and hold down the tune up or tune down, then the radio will auto search a station. You can see.
在去年为尝试坚持。
Now, if we press the preset 2 times, you can see. Then the radio will auto search all stations and save them.
压迫中的缓解，所以呢。
stop.
可以的就
You can see. You can listen to the stations. To switch AM FM, press the AM FM. Now we can see the radio is playing AM stations. Press again. If we want to turn off radio, press and hold down the AM FM for 2 seconds. Then the radio is turned off. If we want to memory stations manually, you can see. Press and hold down the preset. Then the screen will display P and a number. The number is the channel. 10. Channel 10. Release the preset. Now we can see the station is saved as the channel 10. If you still have questions for the clock radio, please send us a message or tell us in Amazon. Thank you.